Rain woes have hit a new low. In Madhya Pradesh, a pregnant woman was being operated upon in a new operating theatre while rainwater was falling into the new OT via the roof. Questions are being raised about the complete lack of hygiene and standards shown. Rainwater can carry bacteria, which can pose risks, especially to someone who is being operated on and who should ideally be in a sterile environment. Now, why this operation was allowed to take place remains a question. The Congress is making allegations of poor quality construction owing to corruption.
यहाँ का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पूरी तरीके से खराब है। स्वास्थ्य के नाम पर सरकार जनता को केवल वादे करती है, परंतु उस वादों पर पूरा नहीं करती है। लाखों करोड़ों रुपया जनता के टैक्स का जो आता है वो पूरी तरीके से बर्बाद किया जाता है, उसमें भ्रष्टाचार किया जाता है। महिलाओं की प्रसूति के दौरान मौत हो जाती है और छत से पानी टपकते हुए में ऑपरेशन किया जाता है। ये स्थिति हम मध्य प्रदेश में ही देख रहे हैं, जबकि मध्य प्रदेश में पिछले 20 सालों से भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार है।
Now, this comes days after visuals had emerged of students being forced to sit inside of classrooms with umbrellas as water had been falling from the roofs. This had occurred in a school located in Madhya Pradesh itself in Narmadapuram district.
कौन से स्कूल में पढ़ते?
हम शासकीय प्राथमिक शाला मेहराघाट में पढ़ते हैं।
क्या दिक्कत आ रही?
हमें पढ़ने में धूप गीली हो जाती है, हमारे कपड़े भी गीले हो जाते हैं। तो ये पानी पूरा पानी भरा गया, वो जो कमरे हैं उसमें भी पानी भरा गया है।
सर छत टपक रहा है, लगातार 3 दिनों से बारिश हो रही है, अधिक वर्षा के कारण छत टपकने लगे हैं
जी। और इसकी सूचना दी कहीं आपने?
सूचना पंचायत के माध्यम से और हमारे अधिकारियों के माध्यम से दी है सर हमने सूचना, तो उन्होंने आश्वासन दिया है कि सर जल्दी से जल्दी।
Crossing over to my colleague Govind to get us more on this. Govind, we've just taken a look at some infrastructural issues, one in district hospital, one in a school. In a district hospital, a pregnant woman was being operated upon and there was rainfall falling from the roof. Same situation in a school located in Madhya Pradesh. What is going on when it comes to the infrastructure? Why is nobody looking after this?
Yeah, absolutely. We can understand that both pictures are quite unprecedented, that study is going on under the oozing water of raining water, in fact, and operation being conducted with dripping rain drops, in fact, inside the operation theater. And surprisingly, I tell you that the fact is what this is the area of the former and present, in fact, health minister, because earlier the health minister was Prabhuram Chaudhary, who inaugurated this newly constructed district hospital of Raisen district, where in that premises this surprising picture is coming from. And now the present health minister is Mr. Shivaji Patel. That area is completely coming under the premises of both previous and present health ministers. And also, you know, the picture which is from my school, in which students are forced to study in raining on water which is oozing from the ceiling of a school classroom, in fact. And this is the area of former former BJP MP, who is now the health minister, and he was the MP from same Narmadapuram where this video is coming from. So both pictures are quite surprising and shocking one. That's why Congress party is just making the allegation of the construction corruption in construction, in these kind of construction, which is newly constructed building of hospital, district hospital, is oozing in operation theater. So everything is really so questionable, and it's being condemned by not even Congress party, also by those who are just looking or witnessing these kind of pictures across the state.